Hello everyone, this is not Dashboard. Welcome to Professor's ICT Care. Today I'm going to show you some tricks to solve the problem when we try to safely remove our external hard drive from our computer. When we try to eject our storage device, external storage device from computer, we just see some problem like that, which is the system say problem when ejecting USB storage device. So to solve this, first step is just refresh your computer and try to safely eject your device. And if this technique is not worked well, then the second trick is that go to Task Manager and try to search Windows Explorer. Here you can see I get and end this task and go to file and go to run new task and type explorer.exe, and now you can try to safely eject your hard drive. And if these tricks do not work well, the last trick is that go to Windows icon and go to Device Manager, and then go to the disk driver and right click on your intended driver and just uninstall this device. After uninstalling, you can safely remove your hard drive. Thank you for watching my video. If you feel that my video makes some helps for you, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more technical video. Thank you.